I'm standing in the middle of a Target parking lot. The Seattle rain drizzles on my jacket. Cars honk in the distance. And I feel like I'm drowning in my own life. My name's Emily Carter. I'm 34. A mom, a wife. Or at least I used to be. I thought marriage was my safe haven. But it turned into a cage I didn't know how to escape. I met Jake in college. He was the guy who made everyone laugh. With his goofy grin and bad karaoke skills. We dated for 2 years. Got married in a small chapel in Tacoma. I was a junior accountant then. He worked as a software engineer. Our life was simple. Saturday mornings at the farmer's market. Grabbing coffee at our favorite diner. I thought we had it all figured out. But life has a way of unraveling your plans. 2 years into our marriage, Jake got a job offer in San Francisco. He said it was a game changer. More money. More opportunities. I didn't want to leave Seattle. My parents were here. My job was stable. But Jake was so excited. I couldn't say no. We packed up our little apartment. Moved to a cramped condo in the Bay Area. The city was loud. Fast. Nothing like the quiet I was used to. But I told myself, this was for us at first. It was exciting. We explored the Golden Gate Park. Ate clam chowder at Fisherman's Wharf. But then Jake started changing. He worked late. Always on his phone. I'd find lipstick on his collar. Perfume that wasn't mine. I confronted him. He swore it was nothing. Just work stress. Client dinners. I wanted to believe him. So I did when I got pregnant. I thought things would get better. But they didn't. 5 months in, a woman called me. Said she was Jake's girlfriend. Said he promised to leave me. My world shattered. I screamed at him. Told him I wanted a divorce. He begged me to stay. Said it was a mistake. Said he'd change. I was so tired. So hurt. I agreed to try again. But deep down, I knew something was broken. Our daughter Lily was born. And she became my everything. Her tiny giggles. Her soft hands grabbing my hair. They kept me going. I stopped asking Jake where he was. Stopped checking his phone. I just wanted peace for her. But he didn't stop. Late nights turned into weekends away. He'd come home smelling like whiskey. Like lies. I felt myself fading. Like I was losing who I was one night. Jake asked me to join him for a business dinner. I put on a dress, hoping maybe he'd see me again. But when we got there, it was a couple. Their smiles too sharp, their words too suggestive. They wanted something I couldn't give. I left the restaurant, sat in my car and cried. Jake followed me, said it was just business. But I knew better. I wasn't enough for him anymore after that. I couldn't look at myself the same. I'd scrub my skin raw in the shower, trying to wash away the shame. I stopped going out with friends, afraid they'd see through me, afraid they'd know I was living a lie. I avoided mirrors, because the woman staring back wasn't me. She was hollow, broken when Lily was 4. I couldn't take it anymore. I told Jake I was done. He didn't fight me this time. Maybe he was tired too. We signed the papers. I moved back to Seattle with Lily. Rented a small apartment near my parents. Got a job at a local accounting firm. It's not glamorous, but it's honest. Lily and I have our routine now. Pancakes on Sundays. Walks in the park. Her laughter is my anchor. I'm still healing. Some nights I lie awake, wondering if I could have done something different. But I'm learning to let go. Learning to love myself again. I don't know what the future holds. But for the first time in years, I feel like I'm enough. For Lily. For me.